Hey guys, today I will show you how to download and install Are We There Yet game on your PC or laptop. So first head over to the Steam website and click on the sign in option you will see on the top and just create the Steam account. After you create the Steam account, click on the install Steam options you will see on the top. Then click on install Steam and download and install Steam on your PC. After you install the Steam, open it up, sign in to your account, click on the top search box and just type Are We There Yet? You will find this game on the top, so just open it up. After you open this game, scroll down, click on the add to cart option. Now click on view my cart option. Now simply go ahead, click on continue to payment and just simply pay the amount for this game. After that you will find this game in your Steam library. Go to your library of Steam, find this game, click on install. That's how you can download and install this game on your PC. If you find this guide useful, please like it. Thanks for watching.